Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more matches as McCree in Overwatch. Practice consistently to improve your accuracy with McCree's hit scan weapons. Aim for the head to maximize damage output and secure eliminations faster. Use flashbang to stun and neutralize threatening enemies, especially flankers. Stay in optimal positions to maintain line of sight with your team while avoiding enemy fire. Utilize high ground advantage for better vantage points and to surprise enemies. Protect your supports from flankers by positioning yourself strategically and using flashbang. Prioritize eliminating enemy supports and high damage heroes to weaken the enemy team. Use Deadeye when enemies are distracted, their shields are down, or to counter group enemies. Coordinate Deadeye with crowd control ultimates like Graviton Surge or Earth Shatter. Utilize map knowledge to predict enemy movements and choose effective routes. Call out low health targets or enemy positions to coordinate with your team. Switch heroes or adjust playstyle to counter enemy strategies effectively. Use cover effectively to minimize damage taken and stay alive longer in fights. Reload during downtime or when retreating to avoid being caught empty-handed in a fight. Look for opportunities to secure solo kills on low health or isolated enemies. Coordinate with tanks to push objectives and create space for your team. Be patient and wait for the right moment to use Deadeye instead of forcing it prematurely. Track enemy abilities and cooldowns to know when it's safe to engage. Stay vigilant for enemy flanks and be prepared to respond on reposition accordingly. Move unpredictably to avoid enemy fire, especially against sniper heroes like Widowmaker. And that's how to win more matches as McCree in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!